Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Hi! There you go! Hi! I know how to drive, dumbass. Bye, dumbass. I'm gonna be about 5 minutes late, period. I woke up a little late and now look, Dashcam. Dumbass. Act like a idiot. I got a Dashcam, mother. I got a Dashcam. You want to cut my ass up? You were right on my ass. You were right on my ass. What the f are you talking about? I did not cut you off. The f are you talking about?
.610 east towards Slidell. Tended to hunt with a 300 blackout. Who said you can't run blackout? Who said you can't remember being at the kennels that night at all?
That loco.
Nah, he's watching One Piece.
He's literally watching One Piece. That's the flamingo.
I'm sending this to our silly page.
Oh, he switched maps, I think. Or, oh no, it's Zoro. Look at it. That's Zoro.
Oh. We're watching One Piece.
feels like it'd be really weird if I just had to like sit there.
Dashcam!
Dashcam! 216.
Oh shit!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.